Hello and welcome to the Explaindio 4.0 video course. In this video, I'll give you a basic overview of Explaindio, and I'll start by showing you how to create a basic video project. So I've got Explaindio open here. Let's create a new project. I'll click the Create Project button in the menu bar up top, and then give it a project name, and click Create. Next, we need to create a scene by clicking this button, and then choosing Create New Scene. You will see this blank canvas, and down below you'll see various options to add different types of elements to your video project. For example, text, bitmap, SVG, and GIF images, video, pre-made slides, 3D objects, and audio. So let's add a text element by clicking this Add Text button. You will see this default text box on the canvas. Let's change the default text to All New EVC 4.0. I'll also change the font to Anton using the drop-down menu. And then I'll use these handles to increase the size and then reposition it like so. You'll notice that it has created an entry in the timeline above. Let's add another text element to the canvas. I'll use the Add Bitmap image down below, and then click Add Image from Local Storage. I'll choose this Explaindio logo, and then click Open. It will vectorize the image. I'll check this box for Don't Sketch, and click Add. You'll see the image on the canvas, and then I can reposition it like so. Again, you'll notice that it created an entry in the timeline above. I'll click on these two arrows for both entries in order to expand the entries like so. I'll click in this area for the first element, and you'll see a whole bunch of animation options. I'll choose Sketch and Sketch by Hand. As soon as I do that, you'll notice this gray bar and slider. I'll also add an animation to the second element. I'll go with Kinetic Text In and Zoom In Bounce. You'll notice a similar gray bar and slider. Also notice that they are both placed at the start in the timeline. If I close the canvas, you'll notice that both the elements animate simultaneously. If I wanted the logo image to animate first and then the text, I can move this gray bar for the text element like so. Now if you do a scene preview, you'll notice that the logo animates first and then the text animates soon after. In the timeline above, you can also drag and drop elements to rearrange the order like so. To add another scene, you can click this Add Scene button and then click Create New Scene, and then follow the same process I showed you earlier. Make sure to save your project using the Save button. Hope this basic overview video was helpful. In a separate video, I'll give you an overview of the Explaindio user interface.